I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to use frequency table to organize the data and calculate mean, median and modal number. The question here is data for the number of persons in each household for a street is given to us, and it is 45743624, 564542, 434353. We need to organize the data into a frequency table and then find mean, median and modal number. So that is what we'll be doing in this particular video. So first step is to create a frequency table for the given data. So let me make a format for table, right? So we'll have, let's say, a table in which we'll first write down the number of persons. So we have data relating number of persons and households, right? So let's write down the number of persons first. So number of persons, let's call this, now we see that the number of persons could be from 2, that's the minimum, to 7. So the number of persons could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, right? So these are the number of persons. Now how many households have these persons? So for that we have to make a tally chart, right? So let's make a tally chart. So tally. So for that what we do is we can go one by one through this list. 4, so 4 is right there, so we'll put 1 mark here. 5, then 7, 4, 3, so 7, 4, 3, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, and then we have 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, and then we have 3, 5, 3, so 3, 5 and again 3. So once you create a tally chart, you can now write down the frequency, that is number of households which will have those many persons, right? So we can write this as frequency. Let's add these numbers from the tally chart. So for 2 persons in a household, there are 2 such households. For 3 there are 4. For 4 there are 5 and 2, 7. For 5 there are 4. 6 there are 2. And for 7 there is 1. So let us calculate the sum of all these frequencies, right? So which is equals to 2 plus 4, 6 and 7, 13 plus 4, 17 and 3, 20, right? So 20. Are these 20 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So exactly 20. So that is fine. So we have 20 numbers and we have taken care of all of them. So let me write symbols here, 20 and X for the number of persons. Now let's answer. So we have already done the first part, which is organizing the data into a frequency table. So if you have number of persons with frequency, that's what we call frequency tables. That kind of gives you distribution. Now let's try to figure out what is the mean, median and modal number. So modal number means maximum, right? Most frequent. So this is most frequent. So from the frequency table we can easily read this value. So we have number 7, highest in frequency. So that is most frequent. So we can answer this question that the modal number is, let's write down, modal number is is 4 for us, right? So that is model number. And now let's figure out what is mean and what is median. So let's find the median first. To find median, we need to calculate the cumulative frequency, right? So we'll now calculate the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. That is to say, we'll just add up the frequencies in a sequence. So we have 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, 17 plus 2 is 19, 19 plus 1 is 20. Now, when we talk about median, then what are we looking for? Median is the center position, do you understand? Just in the middle. So we are looking for center position. Now since we have 20 numbers here, so what is right in the center? So the position between 10th and 11th is the center position, right? So the position between 10th and 11th is the central position. So if you see the cumulative frequency chart, both these numbers between 10th and 11th are here, right? So we have 2, 6, then 13 are here, right? So 10th and 11th is right here. So it connects to 4 persons, right? So average of 10th and 11th will always be 4 in this case, right? So central position 10th and 11th is where the number of persons is 4, So that is what we get. So the answer for us is 4 for median. So we got the answer for median, which is this one, right? So the center position. Okay. Now let's look into the mean. Now to find the mean, what we need to do is we need to multiply frequency with the number of persons, right? So we are saying 2 persons are staying in 2 households. So we'll multiply these two. So that means we are going to do product of number of persons and frequency. That means f times x. This is what we will do to get here. So we get 2 times 2, which is equals to 4. 3 times 4, which is 12. Then 4 times 7, 28. 5 times 4, 20. 6 times 2, 12. 7 times 1, which is equals to 7. So if you add them up, you get sum of this product, which is equal to, we can use the calculator. So we have 4 plus 12 plus 28 plus 20 plus 12 plus 7 equals to 83. So we get this number as 83. Now what is mean? Total frequency is 20 and product of frequency and the number of persons is 83. So from here we can say mean is equal to sum of product of frequency and the number of persons divided by the sum of frequency. So it is 83 divided by 20, correct? So 83 divided by 20 is the mean. 83 divided by 20 gives us in decimals 4.15, which we could round to 4.2, right? So it is 4.2 persons per household. So that becomes the mean for us, correct? So we have found all the answers. So now we know that for this data, mean is 4.2, median is 4, and mode is also 4, right? So mode is also 4. And I hope with this you understand how to use frequency table to find all these 3 central tendencies. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos to learn. Thank you and all the best.